Hello, I'm Dr. Bruce Eimer, and I'm here today to talk to you about why you should consider taking the Utah non-resident concealed carry permit class. As you may be aware, the attorney generals for each of the states in which your Florida permit or your home state's permit is valid often negotiate and renegotiate agreements between states. That means that where your permit is recognized can often change. States often drop out or are added on to the list of states that recognize your home state's permit as well as your non-resident Florida and Virginia permit. What that means is that it is important for you to consider to obtain backup permits in the event that certain states drop out of the reciprocity agreements with the states that you currently have permits for, such as Florida and Virginia. It's kind of like carrying a backup firearm in case your main go-to firearm fails on you. The Utah permit is a very valuable permit to have. It actually is recognized by the most states, that is 32 states. You don't have to be a resident of Utah in order to obtain that permit, but you do have to take a class that is given by a Utah certified firearms instructor. I am a Utah certified firearms instructor, and as such an instructor, I have to travel to Utah every 3 years to get recertified. So there aren't that many of us around. When you take the Utah class with me, the class lasts anywhere between 3 and 4 hours. And we go through a very structured, mandated curriculum that fulfills the Utah Department of Public Safety requirements. This curriculum is very comprehensive and very helpful. You get over a 45-page booklet as well as all of the application materials that are provided to you by us. I help you fill out the application materials. We do all of the paperwork necessary. You get a certificate of completion after successfully completing this 3 to 4 hour course with me, and you also get me to notarize, fill out, and provide my Utah instructor stamp to your Utah application, which is necessary. The class covers very important and fundamental concepts that you need to know if you are going to smartly and competently carry a handgun. The course covers everything from handgun safety to handgun handling and manipulation to marksmanship fundamentals to the operation of handguns and revolvers. It also includes handgun nomenclature. The class covers the judicious use of force and the judicious use of deadly force. And it also covers Utah's state laws regarding firearms, the carry and transport of firearms, and the use of firearms in the event the gravest extreme occurs. Some federal law that is applicable is also covered. So essentially, by taking this class with me, you will learn a lot, and you will also be able to apply for a very valuable backup permit or main permit if the Utah permit is the permit that you decide to get in lieu of the Florida permit. I offer the class in 2 venues. You can take the Utah class as a one-on-one class with me, in which case we can spend more time and we can individualize the instruction for you. We could spend more time on the range and help you to become a better shooter. I also offer the class as a breakout class at every one of our Florida and Virginia non-resident permit classes at the ranges where we teach. That is often a very convenient way for those of you who choose to get the Florida and the Virginia non-resident permits to also pick up what you need to get the Utah permit. Hope to see you soon.